Hey, I'm gonna like.
That's all right. Are you gonna shut the lid?
Way back over there.
Didn't work.
You're gonna want to be on this side.
Y'all might want to back up.
You go
I don't know
back.
how long this
Hey,
fuse
I
is.
want to put this on top again.
Go ahead and put it on there then.
Go back. Guys, don't get too close.
Hey, I'm like recording you live.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Go.
Wow!
Keeper, further. Keeper.
I don't know if I got it very good. I
There's
stopped.
nothing left of that toilet except for that. We gotta blow it up.
Wow. And that is how it's done.
Hey, set it up. Whoa.
There's not much to set up, dude.
Well, put another one down there and make it blow up more. So that's not. There's
All right.
Turn the lid on.
Do you want? Oh.
It's gotta be good enough.
Hold on, let me get over here. Okay.
The upside down toilet firelight.
You ready?
Go, 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 go! Here we go.
Yes, this is how life works.
Go! Hey Cole, you want to use the last one for the heck of it?
What is this?
Metal.
Yes, it's heavy metal.
Heavy metal. Ha!
Get it? Yeah,
Jake made it funny.
Oh, my bad. Now we know how Cole got
Hey,
cut.
somebody want to flush it? Yeah, well, now we know how Cole got cut. Hayden's throwing ceramics on it.
They shine it on us. We can get the degree of this toilet. Shine the light flashlight on it. You see here that we're gonna slide it in the bowl. The bowl is fixing to be gone. Ready?
Yes.
I hit a tub.
That thing is still standing.
I think that's it.
Do a triple shot.
They won't blow up.
No, it's got too many holes in it for any concussion force to break anything.
Hole right there, it just keeps going out the bottom.
Yeah.
Hey,
Guys, y'all be
All right.
careful.
We're finished.